Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Mathri. If you like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Mathri can be served it as an evening snack with tea and coffee. We will be using all-purpose flour or maida 2 cups. Coarsely crushed black pepper 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Ghee 3 to 4 tablespoon, or we can use cooking oil. Kasthuri Methi or Fenugreek leaves 2 tablespoon. Mix it all together nicely. Knead to hard dough. Add water to make a hard dough. Add water according to the required quantity. Over here I have added less than 1/4 cup. Use your hand to mix the dough well. Our dough is ready. Leave the dough aside to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, take a small portion. Roll it to chapati shape. Take a small cup and put it on the top of chapati to cut it uniformly and nicely in small shape. We have got 5 pieces from one chapati. Similarly, we'll be making more. Prick with a fork or knife. Pour cooking oil in the pan. Deep fry it in hot oil. We'll put our Mathri one by one. Keep the flame medium while frying. Flip it. Now as we can see, it has started changing to golden brown. We can flip it again. Now we can take the pieces out. Let's take the Mathris out. and keep it on the tissue paper. It has come out so crisp. We can keep it in the airtight container and have it for next 15 days. We can have it as an evening snack with our tea and coffee. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.